Hello and welcome back to the shop. This week I am changing up the process for my branding iron. So I'm going to machine the first operation on the Fadal, basically just doing the backside, and then the second operation and final operation will be done on the Tormach, and I'll do all the profiling of the logos and text that I get from the customer. I am doing this in preparation for the new process to come, which is exactly what I'm doing, but then I'll have those toolmakers vices that I showed in the previous video, and basically I'll just line those up on the Tormach and run all of them at the same time, which would be awesome. What you're seeing here is just some clamps that I'm making for the vices that I'm going to put on the Tormach. So this is kind of what they look like for now, and they go into a slot on the sides of the vices. So for now, I would just have one vice, so it'll look kind of odd and I'll have a makeshift clamp going on, but in reality, when it comes down to it, I'll have 3 vices on the table and those clamps will link each vice together. This is what I meant by the clamping mechanism looking odd. So I took some 1/2-inch round stock and ground a flat side, which you can't really tell, and then just clamped the vise against that to make it act like a toe clamp. And here I'm just checking that the furthest left vise will stay all within the machine movements. And in the end, this is what it would look like after it would have machined a brand. I didn't actually test this yet. This is just a brand that I scrapped a while back. So stay tuned next week for me testing this new method with the Toolmaker vise. And one last thing, I decided to come up with this branding iron press. I was gonna make my own fully from start to finish, but I found this drill press thing from Amazon, and basically I just modified it and changed some hardware, modified some parts just to make it easy to use for the end customer. And I had to machine this little insert for the electric iron, so that's basically all I had to do for this, and it worked out very well for the testing that I did. So I think that's it for now, so thanks for watching.